Hey, ¿cómo estás? Chivo, what's going on, man? Good to see you guys. Jordan Rodriguez, what's going on? Bring on the rain, Olay. It is on the way. Happy Thursday evening. Bill Taylor here at Ken's 5 Digital Center. We've been praying for rain, and now the prayers are being answered in a big way. This is a wet weather pattern that we're going to talk about tonight. Going to show you that the models are indicating scattered showers, maybe a few heavy downpours on the weekend, and we'll see the latest from the Severe Prediction Center on whether or not Saturday is going to be anything severe that we have to watch for. Now, tomorrow still looks like the dry day for contractors, masonry work, carpentry, woodwork, anything you're doing outside, it's tomorrow. Make sure you're doing it tomorrow, because I'll tell you, once we get into next week, a lot of those industries will be stalled. What's up, Elizabeth? Haven't seen you. How are you? Hope all is well. Mike Bridges, what's going on in Del Rio? Out west. Out in the West Texas town of Del Rio. Even though it's El Paso, I know. But I always put in Del Rio, because nobody on El Paso's watching, at least, I don't think. Cece, hey, Carol. Felicia, Leanne, good to see you guys. Gals. Hey, Ruben. Roberto, what's going on? ¿Cómo estás? Hola. Hey, hey, Nan. Good to see Ruben. Good to see Sharon. Monica, good to see you. Adrian and Daniel. Adrian and Daniel, what's going on? Happy Thursday night. It is Friday Eve. Bring on the rain. Hey, Bear, Bill, best weatherman. Oh, come on, Johnny. Thank you. Quero, hi, Heather. Yeah, rain chance is good for everybody. Kenneth Boyce, what's up, man? Good to see my man, Kenneth Boyce. What's up? Tee it up tomorrow, because after tomorrow, man, it's going to be, let's say, Golf Clash weather. You have Golf Clash? Best golf game on the phone. It's fun. There's John Olson. Victoria, what's up? Hey, Melissa. Happy Friday Eve to you, Jenny. Absolutely. Oh, that's awesome, Elizabeth. Good to see you, my friend. I'm so glad. God bless you. Hey, Kathy. All right, so a beautiful night tonight. Take a look. This is a nice picture. Now, we just lost some of the color, but CPS power plant's what you're looking at over Calaveras Lake. 68, really nice night. East wind about 7 miles per hour. As long as that dew point's under 60, it's not bad at all outside. It feels good. Alejandro, what's going on? Maria, Natalia is here. Get insured. Stephen is doing it. Bring on the rain. Been loving this weather. It definitely is a wet weather pattern. All right, so we talked about it last night just to show you where we are in May thus far. A lot of you are over 3 inches. Seguin coming up on 3.5. San Antonio 2.25, almost 2.5 Rock Springs, and then just under 2 inches at Gonzales and Pleasanton. But here's the thing. We will see almost double that amount, all those numbers, we're going to add to it in the next 7 days. Look at this, keeps growing every time you add another day to it, which is what we do every afternoon, right? So now the next 7 days goes till next Thursday, and you see that pocket of 4 inches for San Antonio, back to Hondo, clipping Medina Lake. That's good news. And then that red is a good 2.5 to 3 inch cover. And then that little strip of, let's just call it maroon, is going to be 2.5 before you get to the purples, which is 2 inches. But man, look at that red and maroon. I mean, that's at least 2 inches of rainfall, upwards of 4 to 5 over the next 7 days. A lot of rain. Alejandra, oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, the arthritis especially, but the allergies. We got a little break today, mold and pecan only, and they were light. But with all this damp weather, molds are going to go up. Ready for Fiesta? What's shaking? Absolutely. Let's toast to Fiesta. So come, what is it, Monday, we're 1 month away, June 17th. Remember, we won't have the Battle of Flowers or the Flambeau parades, but we will have the Texas Cavaliers River Parade. That's a great parade. It's usually on a Monday night. I'm not sure it'll be on the Monday night this year, but we're definitely going to have a lot of fun. Nyosa is coming. There's going to be a lot of Fiesta fun coming starting June 17th. Andrew, what's going on in Leon Valley? Yeah, Saturday, not tomorrow. No rain tomorrow. Right, Mac? Yeah, you must have been doing a lot of rain dancing. Now, add 7 more days to that graphic, okay? So the 4 to 5 inches of rainfall, and then look what happens the next 7. Okay, the 14-day forecast says above average to plus above average to plus plus above average at Gonzales, Cuero, and Victoria. So this is a lot of rain. I mean, a wet weather pattern. What is happening? Well, it's an upper level feature that dives south. Okay, notice that around Las Vegas, Los Angeles, that's that dip in the jet right there. So as long as we're east of that, we're going to have a good chance of rain, because that ejects out these little impulses, what we call short waves in meteorology. It's going to be like a burst of high wind speeds aloft. It creates good instability, and it creates, in a very warm and moist environment, bands of rainfall. So that's what we're expecting beginning Saturday, is that we get a series of these little upper level short waves to move from west to east across Texas. The first rounds on Saturday and Sunday, we're hoping, are not severe, and that's at least what the thinking is. The Severe Prediction Center has a 1 out of 5, which is not even slight. It's a less than slight chance for large hail, damaging winds, or an isolated tornado Saturday from Del Rio west, even west of San Angelo and up into West Texas, okay? So the farthest east and south it gets is Val Verde County. So that's the cutoff. So it's very, you can't say 0% chance. San Antonio you can, but in Del Rio, I would, just be weather aware on Saturday, okay? So that's the first wave. Now, what we do have for Saturday is the first round of computer guidance on timing and intensity of rain. So first off, we know the chance of severe is this much, and it's only Del Rio and north of there in Val Verde County, okay? Oh, Kelly, you're welcome. Thank you so much. Tamina and Tony, good to see you guys. Glad you're here. Eating at Chili's. What's up, Marcos? I love Chili's. It's good stuff. Don't forget to get the Awesome Blossom. Isn't that at Chili's? The Awesome Blossom. Just got back from Colorado. Eloise, oh, I hope it was a great trip. Good for you. Missed you too. Glad you're here. Coffee's supposed to keep me up or make me sleepy. Well, Hugo, I'll always do it at this hour. Sometimes it makes me yawn, which I'm sure will happen in the next few minutes. It always does. But what it usually does is give me that little pick-me-up, because I get up early in the morning. All right, so widely scattered, light rain, okay, mainly at the coast tomorrow. Then you see a bit more rain on Saturday, and there's a band. It looks like it wants to stay more south than move up into San Antonio, okay? Now, this is one computer model opinion, but there's a band of healthy rain by mid-morning Saturday, but staying south of San Antonio, and this is a 50 to 60% chance on Saturday, okay? But this model is saying, this model should be the HER. No, it's the NAM. So what I want to do is take a look at a few different models and see what we're looking for now is a consensus. Since there's nothing on radar tonight to see how these radars are performing, because you want to find the one that best mimics the current situation. Well, we don't have any rain on the current situation. So it's really hard to test a model, if you will, and put confidence in any one more than another. So they're all starting even, okay, on that part. So what now you look for, especially when you're 48 hours out, is a consensus. How many models agree with timing and agree with intensity? So we saw what the NAM feels, which is, again, keeping most of the rain, the heavier rain, south of San Antonio, scattered showers throughout the day. So that's good. That means that, it's going to be a 10, 15-minute long shower and it moves out. It's not like a one-day washout. Okay, a lot of people have outdoor plans on Saturday. I know there's a lot of graduation parties. It's kind of one of those things that you want to say, look, we can take the chance, and if it does rain, we take a break for a minute until it passes, because it's not going to be there long, and it will not be severe in San Antonio. So that's the good news. Now, we saw that model. Let's take a look at the HER model, the HRRR, one that we rely upon quite often. All right. So now we go through Friday. Couple sprinkles out west Friday morning. Here comes Friday night. And we got some rain moving in from the west overnight into Saturday morning. Now it's 9 a.m. and we got a pretty good little band of rain coming in from the west. That's pretty good coverage right on top of San Antonio, 11:30. That's pretty heavy right there. 2 o'clock, some heavy rain through San Antonio, 4 o'clock. So this one a lot different than the other, okay? Bringing us some pretty heavy rain, last of which right there. This model stops at 7 o'clock Saturday. And you can see now why those rain totals are looking, because most of the time, National Weather Service last week, Monday, Tuesday, they were relying upon the HRRR model a lot. It was doing a really good job with what we had early this week. So there's one way to look at this. Please spend more time on the forecast and fan comments. We're traveling finally after a year. That's what we're doing right now. Maggie. All right, so here we go. This is HRRR. So then we go to, let's try the IBM graph model. I'm going to back this to current hour. Okay. And again, we're looking for the consensus. A couple sprinkles on Friday, nothing rain, nothing measurable, I should say. All right, so here's overnight, early Saturday, pre-dawn hours. We're getting scattered showers. Mainly west. Okay, and into San Antonio, there goes some pretty heavy rain, but not until the afternoon, like late afternoon, evening. Oh, wow, look at this. 9 o'clock Saturday, and we get a big line out west. Heavy, heavy rain. Now, it's out west that, again, 1 out of 5 chance that that line is severe and producing some hail out there, okay? So that's something to keep in mind. But that looks like a lot of heavy rain heading towards San Antonio later Saturday night. All right, so that's the IBM. Bring this back, reset that. We looked at the NAM first. RPM is not worth looking at. So they're really, that's the thing, 48 hours out, and the HRRR lines up a little bit more with the IBM. And the NAM is the one that just says, well, it stays to the south and we don't see too much at all. So with those two others agreeing, you have a little bit more consensus with the HRRR and the IBM, two very reliable models, and we'll stick with the HRRR. So again, once I get out of this screen, let's go ahead and we'll run this again in case you're just joining us. Computer model forecast for Friday, Saturday. Friday is dry. 82. We see some breaks in the clouds. Let's hope for a little more sunshine. And then here comes pre-dawn hours of Saturday. It starts up out west. Rain and some pockets of heavier rain around 11 a.m. Then through 12:30, and then it fills in and a lot more rain 1 to 3 p.m. And then it starts to thin out. Okay? But then you can see that there's some more heavier rain to the south. So that's Saturday. Hey, Tony. Madison's got spring football playoffs Saturday morning. Hopefully, model show. It really was, Madison. Hopefully, that's what holds true, right? I mean, this is the 48-hour run. So tomorrow, we're going to be, again, 24 hours closer. And what happens in the meantime, the model will ingest current data and get better. It starts studying, or not studying, but it starts ingesting current data, current moisture levels, temperatures, barometric pressure, the weight of the air, all of these dynamics that then, when it reruns the model and we're 24 hours out, by this time tomorrow night, we have a much better handle on timing, and it could change dramatically, as far as where and when. Michelle, will it rain all day? No, it will not. We need a sunny afternoon, fundraiser for Fox, a special needs boy who's been wronged on Saturday. Oh, Michelle, I wish you the best, and God bless you with those efforts. Way to go. I wouldn't cancel, but have something to get under when these rain showers come, because it's going to rain for part of Saturday for sure. It's just a matter of, who gets lucky enough to stay dry if they've got an event. That's all I can say. What's it looking like for next week? Yeah, in Fredericksburg. Good chances of rain. We love you saying hi to us. Do a great job with the forecast. Thank you, Kathy. Absolutely. I would never stop that. Because this is what I don't get to do on Ken's 5. This is what we get to do on Facebook. The only bad thing about this rain, mosquitoes. I know, right? Really bad. It's going to be a rough one because 3 inches of rain almost for a lot of you this month. Remember, end of April. The last few days of April were about 3 to 5 inches of rain. So, I mean, we have just been saturated. Cousin Cynthia Mauricio Luna selling food stamps. Oh, no. Marcos. All right, will Petite get rain all day Saturday? No. Nobody's getting rain all day. But there could be periods of some pretty heavy rain. Uvalde. Heather, I know, right? I know you guys are storm weary out there in Uvalde. But everybody's getting rain. Look at this. This is, once we get to Saturday, 50, 60% all weekend. Now, tomorrow night, we'll get a handle on whether or not we're thinking severe, and the Prediction Center gives us a forecast for Sunday. Okay, they don't go any further out than day 3, which right now is, again, Saturday. This is day 1 and day 2 Friday. So tomorrow we'll get a handle on whether or not Severe Prediction Center feels Sunday's got a threat of severe weather. Some of the dynamics we're looking at into next week, which are mainly going to be upper level, mid-level winds and wind energy, looking pretty good Tuesday and Wednesday. What you see there, that 50-50 chance there, maybe even as early as Monday afternoon and evening, could go severe. Those could be some severe storms by just what the profiles are predicting the atmosphere to be behaving like, if you will, on Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Pleasanton, good chance of rain Saturday for sure, Sherry. Have the umbrella. Not really, Rick. Yeah, I'm afraid, visibility for Skyview is going to be pretty poor. I mean, we're going to be more clouds than clear for a while now, so not a stargazing forecast. What's up, Stacy? Good to see you. Love you too. Thank you. You're welcome, Madison. Mandy, any rain heading towards Port A, Corpus Christi? A lot of this will definitely keep areas south pretty wet too. This is really from San Antonio southward the best chances. I think if anything, and you saw that 7-day rain forecast, might be a little bit to the northwest. I mean, the hill country definitely under a good 3-inch total over the 7-day forecast. So almost everybody's got good chances. But yeah, Texas coast for sure. Pete, doesn't rain that bad. I need to get Sunday morning barbacoa. I know, right? You'll have that time. Again, we'll get some breaks in this stuff. Kathy, thank you very much. Live helps all the time. I appreciate that, Kathy. Absolutely. Thanks for watching. Crawfish boil on Saturday. Why not? Yeah. I mean, it's not going to be, again, there's going to be some scattered showers. There'll be a few downpours. But I don't expect rain all day long Saturday. Okay, there'll be some breaks. It's just not going to be the prettiest day. Prepare to get wet. I mean, just go undercover something. Football game in San Marcos at 3. Yeah, you'll definitely play football. I mean, unless there's lightning, Jeremy. When thunder roars, get indoors. I always say that a lot of the stadiums are equipped with those lightning detectors. And so hopefully that's the case where your son's playing. Murder mosquitoes, right? Southwest, oh yeah. No rain Saturday, birthday party 1 to 4. Janice, I wish I could say yes, but prepare for rain. Hey, Don Lucero, great to see you. Garden does good, right? Gonna rain for sure, southeast side? Yes, for sure. Saturday the 15th, absolutely. Everybody's getting rain, Gabe. It's just, if you have those plans, golf tournament Saturday, yeah, you're gonna want to have the umbrella for the golf tournament, because golf, you're out there 4 or 5 hours. I mean, I don't see how you stay dry. I mean, it'll definitely, if you don't mind getting wet a little bit and then taking a little break if it gets heavy, because there's definitely some heavy rain possibilities, but non-severe. So that's good news for Saturday in San Antonio. Yes, Mandy, definitely. For this weekend, yeah, good chance of rain down on the coast too. I wish I could help you, Jason. Just not going to happen. It's going to be a good chance of rain Saturday. Lake tomorrow. Hey, Chivo's birthday tomorrow. Okay, make sure you're here. I'm singing to Chivo on a Friday night. I should sell tickets. Are you kidding me right now? Singing to Chivo on a Friday night? There should be admission. You might receive a bill for tomorrow night singing to Chivo and his birthday. That's awesome. Mother and father-in-law made homemade jelly, sell it at Jordanton Flea Market on Fridays and Saturdays. Ooh, Sherry. That sounds so good. Rockport, Fulton. What's up, Jay? It looks like a good chance of rain this weekend. Good chance of rain this weekend, guys. Take snow over rain, right? Yeah, it's just amazing what kind of wet pattern. I mean, May is going to definitely go down as a very wet month, the way this is looking. I mean, we don't get better, or I should say, we don't fall under a 30% chance, but one day, or under a 40% chance, just one day on Monday, and that's it. Every other day is at least 40 to 50%. Want the freezing temps to go with that, right? I always thought, that's funny. All right, guys, I'll leave you with the 7-day forecast on a Thursday night. Big show coming up on Ken's 5 Eyewitness News. Oh, what a day we had. I want to just give a huge shout out to the best viewers and fans of Ken's 5 television and fans of reading. We are doing a Turn the Page promotion for literacy in San Antonio. All right, we are doing everything we can to fight illiteracy, and we're taking donations of new or gently used books. And we were at the Santikos Theater in Cibolo today and collected more than 1,100 new books. Thank you so much. That was huge. Coming up next Wednesday, Casablanca. Alamo Ranch, you know, off 1604, right where you get on 151. Big, beautiful theater out there, Santikos Casablanca, next Wednesday, which is it's right there, 19th. All right, head out there. Bring a brand new book or a gently used book, and let's get these books out to the kiddos. Again, gently used or new. Does not have to be brand new. Just gently used is fine. And we will get some kids reading. Reading is fundamental, and it's a wonderful, wonderful partnership that we're doing this. I'm so grateful that we get involved with things like this, and we're getting books. Yes, Santikos, so philanthropic, right, Chivo? You don't feel bad about the money you spend, and know it's always overpriced, right? You know, popcorn, soda, and maybe some jujubes. All right, that'll be $48. Wait, what? But at least you feel good. Santikos puts so much money back into the community. They are big, big philanthropists in San Antonio. They do great things. Summer heat means raspas. Absolutely, Pete. All right, I love you guys. God bless you. Have a wonderful Thursday night. Tomorrow's Friday. And we'll see you on Ken's 5 Eyewitness News at 10.